In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code syntax highlighting in WordPress. This is especially handy if you run a blog or website where you often share coding tutorials or snippets, making your content more readable and professional for your audience. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to install a code syntax highlighter plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control hub where you can manage all aspects of your website. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Hover over the Plugins option, and a submenu will appear. Click on Add New. This will take you to the Plugins page, where you can find thousands of plugins ready to enhance your site with just a few clicks. In the search bar on this page, type in keywords like Syntax Highlighter Evolved or Crayon Syntax Highlighter. These are two popular plugins known for their reliability and community support. You'll see a list of plugins, each with a brief description, a rating, and the number of active installations. It's a good idea to choose a plugin with a high rating and a substantial number of active users. This indicates that it's widely trusted and regularly updated, cutting down on potential compatibility issues. Once you've made your choice, click the Install Now button next to your selected plugin. WordPress will handle the download and installation process for you. This should take just a few moments. When that's complete, the button you just clicked will say Activate. Go ahead and press Activate to turn the plugin on for your site. With the plugin installed and activated, it's time to configure its settings to suit your needs. Navigate to the settings page specifically for your chosen plugin. If you're using Syntax Highlighter Evolved, you will find this by returning to your main dashboard and clicking on Settings, and then Syntax Highlighter. Here, you'll find a variety of options that allow you to fine-tune how code is displayed on your site. You can adjust things like the color theme used for highlighting, which languages you wish to support, and other formatting preferences. It's worth taking the time to explore these settings briefly to ensure they align with the style and functionality you want for your website. And there you have it. You've successfully enhanced your WordPress site with a syntax highlighting plugin, making your code snippets look cleaner and easier to read. This not only improves the aesthetic appeal of your content, but also enhances its educational value for those visiting your site. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.